Hi, welcome to day 7. Today we are talking about plans. Why we make plans, why we fail to execute those plans, and why a good idea gets lost between execution and the Netflix homepage. You know Chippy, Mannu, and Devi. So, Devi makes the plans to go to the gym, to go for that pending blood test, to study, and even planning for vacations or Saturday night. Plans are always made by Devi. Your dog will never say, today I will not eat, tomorrow morning I will eat. So, plans are done by the human brain. So, plans are made by Devi. But what is the catch? The execution, the committee decides. Mannu and Chippy and Devi. But mostly it is 2 against 1. You plan that you want to go for a 3-mile walk in the morning tomorrow. You wake up in the morning, Chippy says it's too cold. Mannu says, let's scroll Facebook and tomorrow we'll walk double. And what happens? Your plan dies in the pillow. That is because Mannu and Chippy only work when there is a deadline, when there is danger. You have to submit an important report tomorrow morning to your boss who's sitting on your head for it. When you're working on it, Chippy will not dare talk about food, and Mannu will be terrified to suggest scrolling. And both will work like dedicated employees, helping you to finish that report and submit. Why? Because deadline means danger. But what about those goals? The ones which have no deadlines, writing that book, losing weight, eating healthier, saying no to things that make you miserable. They have no deadlines, no boss, no shame. Only Devi cares about these. Even here, there is a twist. Mannu can hijack even the planning process from Devi. All year after sleeping, Mannu will suggest that we will do one video a day and post it every day. Or we'll go to the gym twice and within a month lose weight. Or we'll do the GM diet and become a new person by Monday. Or we'll study 4 nights and top the class. Mannu is the over enthusiastic, overestimating person in this game. And many a times Devi gets tempted to fall into such over enthusiastic plans. So, if most of your plans fail, the problem is not the planning, the problem is the execution. The problem is that Devi is being run by Mannu and Chippy. And Devi needs more strength, more power in her voice to execute the plan as it is planned. Chippy and Mannu execute only when there is fire, but Devi executes when there is meaning. And when we meditate, we are able to see Chippy and Mannu and Devi and their contrasting ways in which they behave. Not only during meditation, but even at other times. For example, when you are submitting something which is very urgent, or when you are planning something which is important to your life but not very urgent, like maybe going for a walk or eating healthy, you will notice how your plans get either strengthened because of Devi or get lost because of Mannu and Chippy. So now, welcome to day 7 of the meditation series from chaos to clarity. For the next few minutes, we will be focusing on our breath and in the process watching Mannu and Chippy and Devi. Sit comfortably in a dignified position. Let your spine be upright, not stiff. Look around you without turning too much. Pay attention to your surroundings, the sounds,
smells. Pay attention to the sensations in your body, the air on your skin. Notice how your mood is. Now, for the next few minutes, pay attention to your breath. You are simply watching your breath. Hot, cold, deep, shallow, long, short. Just watching. If your mind has already wandered, that's okay. Just bring it back gently to the breath. Thoughts may come and go. When you notice a thought, gently let go and return to the breath. You might feel bored, restless, sleepy. Just smile and return once more to the breath. Each time you bring your attention back to the breath is an effort, a mental effort. This strengthens your mind. Each time you become conscious and return to the breath, you experience the human conscious mind, the human brain. When you stick to your intention of bringing your attention back to the breath, you strengthen your human mind, your human brain. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings, your room, your body. Take one deep, nourishing breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes.
Congratulations! You meditated for 7 minutes. You observed Devi, Chippy, and Mannu in action. Every time you bring your attention back to the breath, you strengthen Devi and strengthen your planning and execution. If you like this video, hit like, share it with someone, even put a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.